We've got a problem. The world is heating up. If current rates continue, temperatures will rise, and rising temperatures have been linked to issues such as extreme rainfall leading to floods and droughts leading to fires. What's the issue? All our activities, like eating, having a coffee and watching this video, release greenhouse gas emissions, GHG, into the atmosphere. This means our sport and our horses too. The problem is that we're producing more GHG emissions than ever. These emissions create a heating effect. We need to change our behaviours and find ways to reduce our emissions to slow down the effects. The problem starts with knowing what GHG emissions we produce and which activities have the biggest impact, so then we can find ways to reduce them. So we, the European Equestrian Federation, partnered with Wageningen University and Research to find out. They collected information using stables in the Netherlands and Sweden to identify the activities of competition horses across the horse's full life. Information was collected on what the horses eat, how they live, train, and how much they travel. The researchers took all this data and learnings to create a tool that calculates a carbon footprint, which is the sum of all GHG emissions. The results inform us of the areas we need to consider first. These hotspots are transport and feed production. When we compare a 1-year-old horse, we see feed contributes to 59% of total GHG emissions, manure management to 27%, and internal digestion 14%. Compared to an average 12-year-old who is now regularly competing internationally, total GHG emissions increase and transport enters the equation, accounting for around 90% of the total. Knowledge is key to the climate crisis. Research like this gives us a greater understanding of our role in the issue, and we can use this knowledge to make changes that allow us to continue enjoying our sport in a more sustainable way. So what next? We will take the results and campaign to build these into meaningful strategies that lead to change and reduction. The tool allows us to check progress and monitor how policy can translate to actual GHG emission reduction. Change, check, reduce. With the knowledge that we have, together we can find the solutions and secure a sustainable future for equestrianism.